This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If Omegle is not connecting to the server, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first approach should be to check if Omegle is down. Open the Down Detector website. In the search bar, type Omegle and hit Enter. This will show the status of the server. The next solution is to check the status of the internet connection. Open fast.com and click on the refresh button to check the internet speed of your system. The last solution is to run a few commands to fix the network. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated Command Prompt window. Go to Solution 3 of the original article. Copy the command lines. Now, paste these in the Command Prompt window and hit Enter to execute the commands. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.